Hey everyone, here's a how-to on how to replace or upgrade your Traxxas Fiesta ST. This is similar to a slash 4x4 LCG chassis. So to start, you're going to take out 4 screws. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you have those removed, what you'll want to do is go ahead and remove your servo arm, which I already did. You'll see right here. So take that from the servo, and when you do take those 4 screws out, this black piece pops out. And Traxxas has an awesome design, guys, because once this pops out and you have that servo arm removed, this whole front end slides out just like this. So let me turn it around, and you can see the whole front end comes out. Great design, engineering, very easy. And then from here, all you'll do is take out the 4 screws that hold it in, and then you will open up your receiver case, which is these 2 screws, and then these 2 for the waterproof portion of it, and you'll unplug your servo, which is the first channel one. So I'm going to go ahead and get this swapped out and replaced, or upgraded I should say.